Today's video is made possible by squaretools.com. That's right, SQWAYRE tools.com, and that is my tool company. I make and sell this tool as well as a whole bunch of other ones that I've designed that, I find useful to me, or there were like voids in the tool world that I found that I created, because I wanted them, and maybe other people like you might find them useful too. And you can go check out what I have available there at squaretools.com as a means of supporting this channel. That's how I can keep this channel going without taking corporate money from those big tool companies whose motivations aren't always quite as pure. Back to the show. SquareTools.com. Wait, over there. One of the underlying goals that I've been sort of, beaten to death with a hammer on this channel for years now is this sort of argument against the need to deforest, Africa and Central America to make quality guitars. This whole concepts of tone wood, especially in electric guitars, and most of the guitars I've been making have been electric. Well, now I'm pushing that a little bit further into seeing what we can do with making acoustic guitars without, taking and killing these trees that take hundreds of years to grow and grow all over the world, and the whole footprint around harvesting that wood. So this is a great example. This is a tree that lived and died of natural causes on a property right here in Connecticut. It lived for about 250 years, and the owner of the property took the tree down, slabbed it up, and I made this guitar for him entirely from this tree that not only grew in his area, like literally grew on his property. I think that's pretty cool, right? So the entire guitar is made from one slab of that tree, save for a couple pieces of the bracing on the inside are some reclaimed pine strips from inside my closet doors that I'm always taking apart. And then I did have some new old stock scraps of mahogany veneer that I did for the rosette inlay. And I made the bridge and the nut from some cutoffs of actual ebony that is from a local harpsichord factory. A gentleman that I know works there and gave me some cutoffs from this factory that I use for those pieces of wood. But that doesn't have to be ebony. I just had it, and I thought the black would look nice against all this lovely maple color. So I think the guitar sounds great, and I think it looks great, and I think it's just another piece of ammunition against the current practices of the guitar industry. Guys, man, stop fetishizing this stuff. We don't need it. Let those trees grow. Be good.